Etsy just made a move that no other shopping platform has done yet. eBay hasn't done it. Amazon hasn't done it. Etsy just dropped their own official Etsy app connection within ChatGPT. Now, this has a lot of implications for buyers, of course. It'll help them look for products, etc. A buyer's not going to search teacher gift if they're using the ChatGPT connection. They're going to say something along the lines of, find me something for my son's teacher that doesn't feel like every other gift, and she's this age, and she loves gardening, or something along those lines. They're not going to type in just budget planner into ChatGPT. They're going to likely, maybe even using voice to text, say, hey, I'm in a ton of debt. I need to get my life together. I have 2 jobs and my husband has 3. This is a totally different game now if buyers actually adapt this, which has SEO implications and algorithmic implications. This is what could change and might scare some sellers. If AI shopping keeps growing, the winners on Etsy are going to be people who understand how to make AI understand them, categorize and connect to real buyer situations, not just 2-word phrases. We're no longer going to be arguing about punctuation or repetition. We're going to be talking about much bigger concepts. Check the description for helpful links like my AddToCartSEO.App that helps you create your titles, tags, and descriptions so that AI can understand you and you can get more sales. Also, grab the free Etsy Ads cheat sheet as well as the prompt library that I'm going to be showing today and using today. You can get that for free as well as a free 10-minute call with me if you would like help one-on-one in my mentorship. So ChatGPT already allowed people to buy Etsy things within the chat flow for some people, and they made that change September 29th. That article's right here. I covered that in a previous video. This is their newest article. This is from 1 week ago, May 5th, 2026. You can click that and look at that if you want, but this is really what I want to cover real quick before we jump into the workflow. ChatGPT is now 20% of Walmart's referral traffic. Now, not 20% of all of its traffic, just its referral traffic. So keep that in mind. And then this article goes on to say that it also drives more than 20% of referral traffic to Etsy. Now, that's not all of its global traffic. That's 20% of its referral traffic. That's a pretty big chunk. So to understand how to capture ChatGPT and that traffic is a huge part of your seller journey moving forward in 2026. So let's jump into some potential workflows. Keep in mind that this app connection is not going to show you data that Etsy software can, since it's not using an Etsy developer API key. It's just a buyer-focused app connection, but it's still powerful. It's still in plain English versus an app you might not understand right away with different filters, icons, terminology, etc. I love paid software, but this is right inside ChatGPT. So definitely add this to your arsenal of tools in your workflow. How and what it can show us. It can show us how buyers will use it. You want to understand that. How we need to tailor our listings to get LLMs to understand us, and some insightful data. So download the prompt library that I made in the description below. You'll follow the link for the free Etsy Ads cheat sheet. There's other freebies along with that download. So grab that. This is the first prompt that we're giving it today. Etsy, can you pull trending niches and product categories? If so, tell me the top 10 emerging niches or product categories on Etsy right now. Super broad one, but the response that it gave me was pretty amazing. Make sure that you have extended thinking on. The instant version of ChatGPT is going to just spit out whatever it feels is necessary or useful right away or answers the question. But I have found that extended thinking is always going to be the best option. So in order to add this, you click the plus button, you click more, you click add sources, then you click apps, then you go through that and you add Etsy, totally free. So let's scroll down. It shows you this box of listings here. And it pulls, yes, I pulled live Etsy samples across. And then it says all of the things that it searched and top 10 emerging Etsy niches right now. And this is pretty insightful because this isn't just like a broad answer. Number 1, viral meme crochet plushies. This is one of the strongest signals, not just crochet plush, more like chicken banana plush, crochet cheese roll, meme worm doll, a bunch of internet culture mixed with crochet. So instead of internet culture, meme culture, trending niches, trending jokes, plus a t-shirt, this is plush plus crochet. So that's very useful if you crochet, obviously. Number 2, same thing, crochet personalized party decor. Number 3, 2026 graduation party products. That's obviously warming up because we're in graduation season. Number 4, personalized digital planners, GoodNotes, iPad planners. The emerging version tells you a whole list of new emerging niches and versions. Gives you examples here. Number 5, ADHD/flow state/productivity journals. This is different from standard planners. I saw listings using language like, and this just gives us a bunch of stuff right off the bat. You can tailor your prompt to tell you these things, which I'll show you in the prompt library. There's a ton of workflows that I put in there, but it's just already giving me this, just asking it as a seller. So you can see how powerful this will be for us moving forward. Tiny viral accessories. This one is underrated. A ton of different examples. Number 7, cute sensory desk toys, fidget gifts, stuff for people, anxiety relief toy, teen desk toy, sensory desk toy. Number 8, viral self-care gift bundles. This is the strongest version, is not one bath bomb. So gift sets for spa stuff. Okay, personalized vanity decor, ring dishes. 10, viral human trends turned into pet products. Okay, that's a pretty good one. I would say 6 out of 10 of these are pretty useful. And then it gives you a little, follow-up, my strongest read. So you can see that this app connection is pretty useful. And in my next video, I'm going to show you an entire workflow based on prompts, based on research, and it's going to be extremely insightful. But this is going to allow us to understand buyer intent, who it's buying, who we're selling to, and a multitude of other signals that will help us sell more on Etsy. So check the description for helpful links. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a beautiful day.